Why do penguins stay with one partner for life? Welcome to a new video on our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of penguins, those fascinating creatures famous for their lifelong bond with a single partner. Have you ever wondered why penguins stay with the same mate their entire lives? What's the secret behind this rare loyalty in the animal kingdom? Stay with us in this long and detailed article as we explore everything about penguins' love stories, from biological, behavioral, to environmental aspects. Introduction. Who are the penguins? Penguins are a group of flightless seabirds that typically live in polar and cold marine environments, such as Antarctica. Despite their waddling walk and comical appearance, they are strong, intelligent birds that survive in extremely harsh conditions. They often breed in massive colonies, gathering thousands or even millions of birds in one place for protection and reproduction. Penguins have dense, waterproof feathers that help them survive extreme cold, and their wings have evolved into flippers that make them excellent swimmers in deep waters. One partner for life. Why do penguins choose this system? Unlike many animals that change partners throughout life, penguins often choose a single mate and stick with them for life. This phenomenon is called monogamy, or monogamous pairing. But why? There are several factors and questions we need to answer. 1. Environmental balance and natural pressures. Penguins live in extremely harsh environments where resources like food and safe nesting spaces are limited, and predators are a constant threat. In such conditions, cooperation between two partners increases the chances of successfully raising young and surviving. Harsh weather and strong winds make egg protection and chick survival very difficult. That's why both the male and female must be committed and coordinate roles in incubation, feeding, and protection. 2. Shared responsibilities. In penguins, both partners share responsibilities precisely. The male may care for the egg while the female feeds at sea, then they switch roles. This close and efficient cooperation requires deep trust and harmony, which is not easily achieved with a new partner each season. For example, emperor penguins take turns incubating a single egg for up to 2 months, during which one parent may fast for weeks. This level of dedication demands extraordinary coordination. 3. Mutual recognition and emotional bonds. Penguins use a variety of vocalizations and gestures that allow each bird to recognize its partner among thousands of others in the colony. This recognition strengthens emotional bonds and helps maintain stable relationships over the years. Amazingly, penguins can accurately identify their mate's voice even amidst the loud chaos of a massive colony. This is a unique form of communication in the bird world. 4. Saving time and energy. Searching for a new partner each season consumes time and energy that could be better used to raise chicks. Staying with the same partner saves both, and provides psychological comfort and breeding success. Each season, penguins return to the same breeding grounds and search for their familiar partner. This sense of continuity reduces stress and increases the chance of survival. Behaviors and rituals that strengthen the lifelong bond in penguins. A. Courtship rituals and communication. Penguins have special rituals that start at the beginning of each breeding season. These include unique sounds, physical stances, and even gifts, like small stones offered to build the nest. Courtship usually begins with head movements and dances that resemble romantic gestures. Some species also produce signature calls that identify themselves. These rituals aren't just traditions. They are crucial in building trust and reinforcing the couple's bond. B. Cooperative nest building. The pair cooperates to build their nest, often using stones or grass. This joint construction reinforces their relationship because it's a task that requires teamwork. The nest must be strong to shield the egg from freezing winds, and building it takes serious effort from both parents. Caring for the egg and chicks. The male and female alternate incubating the egg, increasing the chances of a successful hatching. After the chick hatches, both parents continue working together to feed and protect it from predators and freezing temperatures. In some penguin species, parents take turns wrapping their bodies around the chick to keep it warm, an act of shared responsibility that reflects deep cooperation. Scientific research on penguin loyalty biologists and behaviorists have conducted extensive studies on penguins to understand their strong loyalty. These studies found that long-term pairs produce more and healthier offspring than new or changing pairs. Long-term relationships result in better coordination and reduced stress. Penguins that lose their partner often struggle to adjust or reproduce again. One study on emperor penguins in Antarctica revealed that pairs who stayed together for over 5 years had significantly higher chick survival rates than newly formed pairs. How do penguins compare to other birds? While some other birds, like swans and songbirds, also mate for life, penguins show an especially high level of commitment due to the extreme conditions they live in. In some penguin species, mates may change if reproduction fails, but most show strong pair bonding, indicating that monogamy is not just emotional, but critical to survival. Environmental factors that support lifelong pairing. Harsh climate, freezing winds, and sub-zero temperatures force penguins to cooperate in conserving energy and maintaining warmth. Dense colonies living among thousands of birds makes finding a new partner difficult and stressful. So, sticking with a known mate is more efficient. Natural threats. Predators like sea leopards and birds of prey increase the need for joint protection of eggs and chicks. Summary. Why do penguins stay with one mate for life? Penguins remain with one mate for life because cooperation is critical in extreme environments. Stable relationships save energy and time. Emotional bonds and rituals reinforce loyalty. Studies confirm better breeding success in long-term pairs. Penguins rely on mutual recognition and vocal communication to maintain their bond. All of these factors make penguins a living symbol of loyalty and partnership in the animal world. Did you know? Penguins can identify their partner's voice among thousands in noisy colonies. Some penguin species stay together for over 20 years. Penguin love rituals include synchronized dancing and gift-giving, like pebbles. In many cases, even if one partner is lost, the other doesn't immediately find a replacement, showing deep emotional bonds. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the lives of penguins. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Do you enjoy animal stories about loyalty? And do you know other animals that stay with one mate for life? Let us know!